after that, just try to scrape everything back here.
When you're going to scrape, just try to press harder, then scrape as fast as you can, not too slow, okay? So that you can clean the mold as well. Because if you still have a lot of chocolate on the side, then when you mold your chocolate, then you will have extra chocolate on the sides, which just looks so ugly. And after that, get rid of all the air pockets that you have inside by tapping this one. See those bubbles?
And after that, what you're going to do, this is the fun part, okay? You're going to turn this one upside down. Get rid of all the chocolates. You just want a thin layer of shell. Whoop. Then after that, hold this one like this. Use the scraper, tap the sides so that the chocolate will start to become even more thinner. Wait until it stops dripping. Or else, if you turn this one upside down with a lot of chocolate down there, the shell will be very thick, which is not so good. You have a very thick shell, less filling. Just like that, and then after that, scrape it, turn it upside down. Okay, then next, clean it. Scrape it, slant this one, angle this one like this, scrape it down, not like this, okay? Push forward until it gets clean. Like that. Then we're just going to let this one set at room temperature. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready?
One side to another. Lift up what you have underneath. Then you will slowly see the chocolate will start to thicken. Start to thicken, see? Now just don't ignore what you have here. Try to mix everything as much as you can. And then after that, what you're going to do, you need to gather all the chocolates back in one place. Then check the temperature. Now I'm going to check the temperature. What's the temperature that I'm looking at this time?
26 to 28 degrees.
So I exceeded 28 already. I'm not gonna bother checking the temperature. Okay, I'm gonna cool it down a little bit more longer. All right. That when your temperature is like closer to 28, don't cool it down for too long. Don't cool it down for too long because the temperature will drop really fast. Now I'm gonna check the
Temperature again. So like 0.7 degrees.